Allow me.
Allow me.
Allow me.
Allow me.
Allow me.
Allow me to explain.
Allow me to introduce you.
Allow me to introduce myself.
Allow me.
Allow me, my dear.
Allow me to offer you one piece of advice.
Allow me to display my affection.
Allow me.
Mommy doesn't allow me to eat sugary cereal.
Cheerios are sugar-free.
Miss Portly rhymed. Allow me to escort you home.
Allow me to introduce you to Arthur.
Oh, wow, it's beautiful.
Like it?
I love it.
Good, here, allow me.
Allow me to propose another proposition. I'm all ears.
Allow me to introduce my mother-in-law, Clara, my wife, Michelle, and my daughter, Sylvia.
Allow me a parting gift. But remember this. Sooner or later, the thirst always wins.
Allow me, sweetheart. Been on feet all day.
Thank you.
Sure.